job, Team Confessionals. Hey everyone, my name's Haley Hunter. I'm the other TA for the web development program, and I'll be introducing the next three teams. So first up, this team created a web application to help their users navigate stress and track their mood. Please welcome Team Serenity.
Hello, my name is Hunter. Our group's goal was to create a website that adapts a fruitful atmosphere for meditating. We wanted an emphasis on focus and relaxation. Going forward with this in mind, we wanted to have a UX, UI design that was sleek, simple, and familiar to use. To kick off our walkthrough, we'll have PJ run us through our homepage and go over the main functionality of our website.
Thanks, Hunter. Hi, everyone. My name is PJ Jones, and for this project, I worked as team leader, UX, UI designer, and developer, and on overall functionality. So let's get started. Starting on the home page, we've got a relaxing video background, and when we click enter, we're taken to the meditation timer page. Starting on the top left, you'll see the logo that Nicholas designed. Clicking this takes you back to the home page. Now on the center of the screen, we've got a selector for how many minutes you'd like to meditate, selector for changing the themes. We've got a circular progress bar, a time display, and a volume slider. All of the functionality and design of the app was styled using Bootstrap and CSS, including the box breathing animation you'll see on the next page and the cards that you'll see on the articles page. So since this app incorporates sound, I'm going to stop talking for about 30 seconds while I go through the different themes so that everyone can get the full experience. All right, that's about it for the meditation timer page. Here's Will to take you through the breathing techniques page.
Thank you so much, PJ. My name is Will Hughes, and I worked on the front end as well as the UX and UI design of this application. When my team finished the timer page, we wondered what other pages we wanted to add to this application. One that we all agree on was a breathing application that the user can use to get better at meditating. At the top of the page, you can see a quote that will change each time that the page is refreshed. Our hopes of this is that the user can get more in a meditative mood and potentially gain wisdom. There's a little bit more to meditation than what one might believe. There are breathing methods which can help the user, one of them being box breathing. Below, you can see a little bit of information about box breathing, as well as 4 simple steps that can help the user achieve this method. Below that is a small little box that we designed that will help represent the user inhaling and exhaling along with the box breathing. Box breathing is not the only method. There is also focus breathing. Focus breathing is another popular meditation method. And similar to box breathing, we have information with it below, as well as the 6 steps that the user can do to achieve focused breathing. That's all for me, and I'm going to hand it over to Hunter.
Thank you, Will. I primarily worked on our backend platform, as well as the routing of our data. We did this in order to establish a relationship between our front-end code and our MySQL database. With our articles page here, we're pulling directly from our Reddit API, and we're passing in the current, most well-received posts directly onto our website. If you were to head over to the meditation subreddit, and you were to write up a post about meditation and it was well received, you would actually see this on our website here on this specific page. I'm going to go ahead and hand it over to Roderick. He's going to go over the users page functionality and how we incorporated foreign keys for our users.
Thanks, Hunter. My name is Roger Call. I worked on the back end with Hunter. We built this account page through MySQL Workbench and Postman database with endpoints and routing so users are able to see their progress on the charts page. Using the CRUD method of get and post, we created a table with a form attached to the database where the user is able to see their collected records with an overall view of their experience using the Serenity app. We will now look at those records with Unjin Jong for more on the charts page.
Thank you, Roderick. Hi, everyone. My name is Anjin. I helped on the front end and created the chart page. At the top of the page, a user can see the meditation time for the last 7 days, as well as the daily progress. On the bottom left, we ask the user, how are you feeling today? The user selects the mood, an inspiring message comes up, and the mood tracker on the right will be updated based on the user's answer. Now I'm going to hand it over to Nicholas.
Thank you, Yunjin. Good morning. My name is Nicholas Bailey. My teammates felt that my past experience in graphic design would position me to best develop the branding for our project. After extensive research, I designed a clean, positive logo that conveys our project's philosophy and goals. Additionally, I assisted Yunjin to identify the data and appearance for our charts page, as well as inspiring quotes. That concludes our presentation, and I'll hand it back to Haley.
Great job, Team Serenity.